Hello, this video is on steps to carry out in order to improvise charcoal sticks in absence of charcoal pencils. We will need source of heat which is used to provide high temperatures for heating in the whole process, pieces of green sticks, cutting tools such as a panga, scalpel for cutting pieces of green sticks, a piece of rag to protect hands from getting burnt or 2 rods of sticks, a piece of paper for experimentation, a bucket of water for cooling the sticks and the tin, a metallic tin with a lid with holes which allows the moisture to evaporate through when heating. After step 1, collect pieces of green sticks from the immediate environment or from a forest. Cut the sticks using a panga or a knife, etc. Using cutting tools, ensure that you trim the sharp edges of the green sticks. Ensure you cut the sticks in size of a pencil or in size of a metallic tin. Step 2. Place the green sticks into the metallic tin. Step 3. Close the metallic tin using a perforated lid. In absence of the lid, use aluminum foil to cover the top part of the tin. The following are reasons. It limits oxygen supply, allowing the material to carbonize instead of burning, and allows the gases and moisture to escape. Step 4. Place the metallic tin on source of heat for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour until the pieces of wood are fully carbonized into charcoal sticks. Step 5. Remove the hot metallic tin from the heat source using a rag or sticks to ensure safety, and place the tin in the ground or on a surface that will not catch fire. Pour some cold water on the metallic tin to cool. Step 6. Open the metallic tin and pour the pieces of sticks on the ground or on the surface. Step 7. Sharpen the pieces of charcoal sticks using a scalpel into pencils-like tip for use in drawing. Step 8. Experiment by drawing simple shapes to test their smoothness, darkness and quality on paper.